They've done it again. RPG Show Wig has done it again. This unit right here is fire. Hey y'all, how's it going? So we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to RPG Show Wig for sponsoring today's video. It's been a while since I've done a review with RPG Show Wigs. You guys know RPG Show Wigs is a sister company to MyFirstWigs.com. This is the original OG of wig companies, guys. They were the starters. They were the beginners. So they did go ahead and send me this really nice yaki straight bob, guys. So this is one of their custom styled units. All their units come like that. You know how they are. So this is a bob style. It does have like a little bit of a highlight area in the front right here, guys. And this is a large cap construction, baby. Very, very large cap construction. It comes with an adjustable strap. It also comes with the hooks that I already adjusted in the back. This one is obviously a medium to average cap size head. Their units always fit to the T. Everything on this unit already comes pre-done for you guys, so that's one thing I love about this company. I know sometimes you guys are always worried about the price tag for these units from this company, but baby, their wigs are top-notch, complete, prestigious units. Like, they really take their time and put details into each and every single one of their units, and they always look bomb AF, and you already know it's about to look bomb AF on me, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inner part of this cap. I probably won't have to do it because their lace actually is very, very transparent, as you guys can see. So I probably won't even have to do that, but I am just for extra measure. But yeah, so look at that lace. Beautiful, just beautiful. All right, y'all, first and foremost, absolutely gorgeous. Like, the color on this one is stunning, honey. Very, very pretty. Like, straight off the bat, I'm already absolutely in love with this unit. So these are the baby hairs that I curated on the sides. That's pretty much all I did. I wanted to kind of see if I could do like a little swig with this one, but as you guys can see, the unit is pretty glueless. So I'm gonna use a little bit of spritz though, because I want to kind of formulate everything and make everything stick nice. But just off reference, it is a glueless wig. I could just pull this wig up and put it right back down. So it is indeed a glueless cap construction from them. I did go ahead and make sure the ear tab section fit perfect, so everything lands perfectly on my sides. I usually don't do like a little baby hair on this side because that side's not going to show. I'm really just rocking it at the side part. Ooh, I love, love, love this color. Like, and I'm not even gonna buff it, I'm gonna just straighten it all the way through straight. You get a little bit of highlight action on this side too, which is cute. So I am in love. And as you guys can see, this lands perfectly. You can see my star tattoo right here, so that's how I know it's like a good position. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and push some of this hair back right here just to make sure that this platform is nice and slick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of spritz so that I can get this to kind of like flatten out completely. And then we'll have like a nice clean base. I was trying to get this little baby hair here to do like a little bit of like a swiggy, but didn't really want to do that. Maybe if I put like a little bit of a headband on here, it'll do like a little swig for me on the side like that. And then just clean this one up right here. And then we'll have like a little side like that. Looking real cute, honey. And again, I didn't have to do baby hairs in the front because I just feel like baby hairs in the front is too much. We'll just kind of like make it look as scalpy as we can. And yeah, so I think this is giving. What do you guys think? I think this is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. The color is gorgeous. It's perfect. It matches my skin tone, but it's not too matchy-matchy. Definitely giving it like a clean look, like really, really pretty. So I'm gonna use some of the wax stick on the top as well too. Because this is the yaki texture, I'd say the wax stick is fine. If this was a silky texture, I don't really like putting the wax stick on it because it makes the hair look super greasy. And I don't really like the way that greasy look be looking, so it works perfect on this yaki texture. So, oh my God. So let me go ahead and just spray this up real quick. I'm gonna use my trusty old spritz, baby. Back to the classics, and I'm just gonna spray right on top of the lace right here. Literally right on top of the lace. And then we're just gonna push that comb in it. And I'm only doing this on this side so I can get that little baby hair section right here to really give me like a little jazzy look right here. The girls are really good at doing this. I be trying. I really be trying. So I'm using my best attempts right now to get like this little baby hair to stay swiggy like this. So I'm gonna hold this down right here. Am I really doing a baby hair tutorial here for y'all? Am I giving baby hair tutorial? So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on there right here and see what it gives for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and swig that part back and then put the headband on, and then I'll come back for the finish. I know it's looking right, okay? You feel me? All right, y'all, so this is basically the finished look of this unit. Whew, baby, very, very cute. Like, I am giving in this hair color, this haircut, this style, this texture. Everything about this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Straight to the point. Obviously, I did like a little finesse with the baby hairs. I usually don't do little swiggles like this one, but the spritz definitely helped creating that little curl right there because it was not giving that before. Absolutely love this one. Again, guys, this is a glueless unit. Obviously, I did go ahead and press these baby hairs down, but you guys can see I can slide the comb right through the baby hairs so it can go ahead and lift up. This is a pretty style, guys. I feel like this is definitely a beautiful summer bob style wig. It's definitely a very transitional wig as well. Now, I do like this style a lot, but one thing I would actually do with this unit is actually cut this a little bit shorter. I actually would cut it about like right here. So it would stop about right here. Like, I think that would look so fire, like a real nice kind of clean bob like that. So you probably will see me in the future going ahead and snip this one. But for the preferences or the reference of this video, guys, do you see that? So pretty, so nice. Everything melts and goes really cute with this one. The hairline on this unit is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I did go ahead and tweeze it just a little bit on this area right here just to open it up. So you guys can kind of see more of the hairline. You can see my tattoo right here, so the actual cut and everything is perfect. Very, very nice. Like, the texture on this unit is very pretty. I'm not going to sit here and say that the silky straight wouldn't be pretty, but the yaki straight texture is definitely giving everything it needs to do. Guys, the hair is like butter. Very, very nice. I could slide my hot comb right through it, guys. Very nice. The density on this was actually a nice density as well, too. Obviously, with this one, you can go ahead and do some curls. I think with this yaki texture, like a nice kind of light curl with straight ends will look really pretty. It's up to you how you would style it, but like I said, with this one, I'd probably go ahead and cut this one into more of a bowl cut, like really, really short, like right about here. I think that would look excellent. But for the styling purposes of this video, guys, this cut, gorgeous. Color, gorgeous. I love the fact that they did the pop-up blonde in the very front of the unit and not all around. So you'll kind of see the highlighted part at this side part right here, which I actually really think is really cute. They did a good job with this one. It's not too crazy, not too chunky. Just kind of like some nice light highlights on this side. And obviously you get that really nice pop-up blonde right here. Guys, it's giving housewife. It's giving, I just got my hair freshly cut and dyed, like gorgeous. And this definitely can really go with women of color because the base color of this unit is a natural brown color. So the base color is very, very realistic, guys. So it definitely looks like something that could honestly be mine. You feel me? Like, it looks like I got my hair pressed, colored, and, you know, set up right. Very, very nice. Like, guys, like, this is gorgeous. I have not worn a hair from RPG Show wig in a long time, and this is what you call grade A hair. Like, when I tell you this is straight out the box, put a little jazzy jazz to it, do a little razzle dazzle, and you're good to go. They've done it again. RPG Show wig has done it again. This unit right here is fire. All right, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll go ahead and leave all the links down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this beauty right here from RPGSHOWwigs.com, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I will catch you guys in a later one.